As you see, we have a king size bed. Hello from Ilunion Suites Madrid. After a day at FITUR, we are staying at this 4-star hotel that is close by, and now I'm sharing with you the part of the room that I leave my luggage and my belongings. The beauty of this room is that it is a junior suite, it's not a simple double room, and once you enter this room, you have a storage room, a closet room, where you have plenty of space for luggages, for your dresses, for your clothes. As well, there is space for your safe. There is a safe where you can leave your belongings. The closet, as you see, is very spacious for a lot of luggages. So if you are coming more than one day, you have plenty of space to leave your things here. Moving next, we have this spacious bathroom with plenty of space. You have a shower bath, so you can have a bath tube, and you can have the bath as well. What I have seen for the first time here at the 4-star hotel, that you are giving this pack of room sleeper. I will share later on how it looks on me. Moving next, we
the
have
amenities
this
that the hotel
spacious
offers
bathroom
for free
with
in
plenty of
the bathroom.
space. You have a shower bath, so you can have a bath tube, and you can have the bath as well. What I have seen for the first time here at the 4-star hotel, that you are giving this pack of room sleeper. I will share later on how it looks on me. We also have a hair dryer here, a zoom mirror. Within the amenities, everything looks pretty great. Once we enter the room, to our right side, it is the living room. So the room, it's not going only with the bedroom itself, but it has a living room too, with a sofa bed. Here perfectly can sleep 2 kids or 1 adult. Within the amenities, we have a TV, we have the coffee machine, we have teas, we have coffees to prepare for ourselves, and as well I have a small surprises because we are partnering with this hotel. We work very well for the company that I work for as a travel agent, and with the Ilunion chain, they left us some presents and a very nice message here for myself. I don't know what is this, but as far as you see, I think that these are biscuits and some chocolates. Within other amenities, we have a lamp, a desk, As you see here, you can stay and work if you need to work something on, and as well there is a mini bar. Actually, in the minibar there is only water, but I think that it is mostly used as a fridge and not as a minibar. And from the living room, we are going to the bedroom itself. As you see, we have a king size bed. I would say there is two twin beds that are close by. I don't know, I will check it later. And tomorrow I will share with you how I slept here. But the room is huge. I have plenty of space, and there is another TV over here, which looks really good. I haven't shared my thoughts later on. This is why while I'm editing this video, I want to share my thoughts. The bed is a king size and I was sleeping marvelous on it. It is a huge bed, huge. I think that I will stay here because I have the direct lighting coming onto my face and I want to share my thoughts about this hotel so far. Our check-in process was smooth because we have been sent with the link earlier, and if we wanted we could do the check-in online. I did it yesterday, and today once I come, my room was already prepared for me and they only got me the keys to the room and that's it. But I saw as well people who didn't make the check-in process earlier. They were going really quick as well, but I suppose that the receptionist staff was prepared for our group to come from FITUR, and this is why we checked in very quick. As far as you saw, the room is huge and I have a plenty of space. It is a junior suite, I repeat, and in our booking the breakfast is included. Tomorrow I will share more about our breakfast. As well, I haven't had the chance to take some videos of the lobby, but tomorrow I think that I will wake up earlier to take some videos for you. Dear friends, I forgot to record my last thoughts about this hotel, so here I want to share with you that the hotel is spectacular. It is close by to FITUR. If you are coming to this fair, it is just a perfect hotel to stay at. The rooms are clean. Everything looks perfect. My breakfast was delicious. I couldn't take videos because there were a lot of people, and all the people that were staying in that day were going to FITUR, and this is why I just skipped this part. Again, thank you very much for staying with me till the end. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. As well, if you have any questions regarding hotels in Madrid or Barcelona, let me know in the comments. I will help you with. Thank you, until the next time. Bye.